This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to turn off your Chrysler Pacifica headlights. First, locate the headlight control knob, typically found on the dashboard to the left of the steering wheel. This rotary switch usually has several settings, including off, auto, parking lights, and headlights on. To completely turn off your headlights, simply rotate this knob to the off position. This action should extinguish all exterior lights, ensuring your vehicle is not drawing power unnecessarily when parked. Your Pacifica may have an auto setting, which automatically turns headlights on or off based on ambient light. If your headlights remain on, check if the knob is in the auto position. You might also notice that daytime running lights, or DRL, stay illuminated even when other lights are off. These are a safety feature and often cannot be turned off with the main headlight switch. Some models allow DRLs to be disabled through the Uconnect system settings. If your headlights still won't turn off, ensure your vehicle's ignition is fully off. Sometimes, accessories can keep lights active. Look for any warning lights or messages on your instrument panel that might indicate an electrical issue. If the problem persists, especially with newer models, there might be a software or electrical fault. In such cases, it is best to consult a certified Chrysler service professional for diagnosis and repair. Always do a quick walk around to confirm all exterior lights are off before leaving your Pacifica, especially in parking situations. Regularly checking your headlight bulbs and their housings can prevent future issues and ensure optimal visibility. Remember, proper maintenance extends the life of your vehicle's components. Before you go, remember to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. They offer a lifetime warranty, so you know you're getting quality that lasts. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.